Hi folks, Jason here at Leisure Time Sales, taking a look today at a 2021 Puma 22 FKC. This is an XLE Lite. Comes in at just over 5,200 pounds, 5,218 to be specific. A couple of the outside features I love about this unit: you've got the power tongue jack on there, makes it nice and easy to get it off the back of your unit and all set up and ready to go. Previous owner had it set up with 2 batteries, which is great for those folks who like a little bit of extra juice. Got a front window in this unit as well. It's really going to brighten things up inside. As you take a look in a moment, you'll see there's a front kitchen in this unit. Solid steps makes it nice and stable getting in and out of the unit. You've got a little outdoor kitchen with a flat top grill and a small fridge. And you've also got some outside storage. Power stabilizer jacks on all 4 corners. LP quick connect here at the back so you can have your outdoor barbecue as well as your flat top if you want to do some outside cooking. Get a full awning. That is a power awning on the length of the coach. It's going to give you a nice outdoor space. Spot here to mount a barbecue if you'd like, with another quick connect here. You've also got a spot here if you'd like to bring your TV on the outside of the unit, hook it on there and have a little outdoor vibe going on with everything you could ever want and more. Heading inside the unit, take a look here. Nice comfortable spot to sit and relax. There is some storage under there. That handle will pull down to open up some storage. You can flip this down as well to get a little armrest and a spot to set your beverages, and the whole thing will flip down if you do need some extra sleeping space. That is a jackknife couch as well. Nice big window behind you there too to brighten things up. Mentioned the front kitchen with the window. You can see here it really brightens things up. You've got storage throughout. You've got a nice sized oven, a 3-burner propane cooktop, good storage throughout, nice pantry space to the left, and a microwave with a vent above it. Fridge is conveniently located nearby, so you can get to that from the door if you want to reach in and grab something. But of course, remember, you do have that fridge on the outside to keep your beverages cold. Your entertainment center comes equipped with Bluetooth stereo, a little storage underneath, some shelving for some decor, and a TV already built into this unit. Down the hallway to the left, you've got your bathroom. Corner angle shower, all kinds of room there to store some linens. That's a pull toilet in the corner. You've got a sink with a medicine cabinet above and storage below. Coming into the bedroom area, you've got a walk-around queen bed with storage on either side. You've got USB plugs as well as standard plugs on either side of the unit, and in a spot here to mount a TV if you'd like. Previous owner opted for some decor, which looks nice too, and some good space in here. Again, this one coming in at 5,200 pounds. You can tow this with just about anything. Some great outdoor amenities so that you can really enjoy both the outdoor camping lifestyle and still have some room to come inside and be cozy on a less than favorable weather day. Certainly some great options with this one in terms of towability and feature set. Come on in and see us, folks. Fall camping season still going strong. People are starting to get their thoughts set on next year, what they're going to want to do in spring. We've got all kinds of options here on our lot in Quispamsis, as well as our friends up in Moncton. Drop in, folks. Some great options here. Love to get you out camping for some fall enjoyable times and seeing the leaves turn and all that great stuff that happens throughout the Maritimes this time of year. And again, get yourself ready to go for next year. Deals are at their finest right now.